Let's learn how to convert 35 base 10 to base 2. The first thing, we draw a table. We place the number we are given 35 at your right hand side of the table. Then the number you are converting it to, 2, at the left hand side. Then we start dividing. 2 goes in 35. We have 2 goes in 3. That's 1, remainder 1. 2 in 15. That's 7, which is 14. Remainder 1. Divide again by 2. 2. 2 goes in 17. That's 8. And 2 times 8 is going to give us 16. 17 minus 16. So we have a remainder of 1. 2. 2 goes in 8. You have 4. Remainder 0. 2. 2 goes in 4. We have 2. Remainder 0. We divide again by 2. 2 goes in 2. We have 1. Remainder 0. 2 again. 2 goes in 1. You can't see 2 in 1. So that's what? 0. Remainder 1. Then we take the remainders from the last one. So therefore, our 35 base 10 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, base 2. And that's how to convert 35 base 10 to base 2.